maintenance pending suit. Now, you may not know what that is, but if you have a situation where perhaps you are a stay-at-home mother and your husband has been out working as the breadwinner, and he decides that he's going to leave you, or you're leaving him, however that may work. But for this example, let's say he has gone, disappeared, you've got to pay the mortgage at the end of the month. You've heard nothing from him. He's refusing to pay you, whatever the situation may be. You need to go through the court financial process in order to get the finances resolved, but you can't manage to get through that process. And that process can take 6 months, even a year. How on earth are you going to manage to get through that if you can't pay the mortgage, you can't buy food? How do you deal with childcare? He's taken the car, all of those situations. So the court has this process, maintenance pending suit, where the court can award you a sum of money to be paid every month pending or during the course of the court proceedings. So it is a lifesaver if you make this application, and if it is appropriate for you. Sometimes it isn't appropriate, but in the scenario that I've given you and all sorts of other scenarios where you just cannot afford to wait for the court to deal with the process, then maintenance pending suit will solve that problem for you. Now, in addition to dealing with the maintenance pending suit, you will probably be going through the financial process. In fact, you have to go through the financial process to get it. So then you will need your Form E, you will need all of the other paperwork, and I have information packs and guidance on those. Now, the difficulty with the maintenance pending suit is it's a very specific issue that you're dealing with, and it isn't so easy to make a pack that you can help yourself with. But I do offer support, and I can guide you through that process if you want to do it yourself, or I can assist you through that process. I can attend court with you. I can give you advice, I can answer questions, I can just guide you in every way that I can. Because the way that I work is that I will help you to represent yourself in court, save on solicitors' costs, save on barristers' costs, because most things you can do yourself. Some things are tricky, some things, the majority of it is not tricky once you know the process, but it is a matter of knowing that process. What does the judge need from me? And then I can give him what he needs. But you won't know that until you get to the hearing. Whereas I do know it because I have dealt with this before. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I was called to the bar as a barrister in 2010. So I know how to deal with this process. I can guide you through it, and I can support you through it. My aim is to get you to your hearing, which whatever kind of hearing that may be, children, finance, divorce, whatever it is, domestic abuse, confident, prepared, and ready for whatever's going to happen at that hearing, because you will know exactly what's going to happen. You'll know how things are going to develop and what you need to do at every step. So if you follow the link below, you will get to my website where I will talk about maintenance pending suit. And there's a whole range of other services that I can offer you. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this is the service that you're looking for and that I can help you to fulfill it. Thank you.